Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we will be sharing with you how you can create a dual tone light effect in Photoshop in a matter of seconds. So we want to start off by creating a new adjustment layer and turning our layer to black and white. We're then going to create a new layer. We're going to head over to our brushes on our brush tool, and we're going to select the drop down to select a soft rounded brush. We want to ensure that the hardness is turned down to 0%. And what we can do, we can use the brackets on the cursor keys to increase the size of the brush tip quickly. We're then going to select a colour that we want to use as our first colour within our dual effect. So we're going to go with a nice dark purple. Select OK. And we're just going to fill in half of the canvas. And then we're going to change the blend mode to be colour. We're then going to create a new layer, and then we're then going to select another colour. So it could be any colour of your choosing. So we're just going to go with a nice light blue. Select OK. And then we're going to repeat the effect and try and fill in the other half of the canvas that we didn't fill in last time with that light blue. And then we're going to change the blend mode to be colour. And there you go, we created a really cool dual light effect using Photoshop. Photos that really work well with this effect is photos that are on a dark background, or what you could potentially do is mask a photo and then put it on a black background to really make the effect pop and stand out. Hope this is a useful tutorial and one that you can use in your own design projects in the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.